Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you're fine. Today I'm going to create this look, or I'm trying to recreate. So let's start it. I'm gonna start with concealer. I never start with concealer first, but nowadays my eyebrows are so messy, so I want to try this. I start with this color, and I know it looks bad, but trust the process. And then I start blending with another color. Then I'm going to cut my crease with concealer like this. Every time is a challenge when you cut your crease because you don't know if you look the same, they are same or they are different. You do wrong, you do right. Never know this. And then I apply the light color, the light blue here. I apply the eyeliner here. I'm going to apply false lashes, and then we see the final look. Guys, this was actually the hardest makeup I ever done, but always I try my best, so please appreciate. I know it's not the same as the picture that I show you. It's not even that bad. Don't be rude in the comment, please. I know that I miss the golden eyeliner. I don't have the white eyeliner also, but I'm sure that I will buy it, inshallah. So please like my video, follow me, and comment, and in the comments say what you think about this look.